Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cutting these nails because I broke this one. Let's get these nails together. I'm using a nail clipper and I'm just going in and getting some of this length off. I'm going for a rounded shape this time. I was digging the square shape, but I'm a sucker for short nails. And they grow back, you know? And I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be posting a video on Saturday. It's literally the coolest unboxing I've done yet. So stay tuned for that. And I'll give you a hint. It is keyword Big Mama. Literally. If you want to guess what it is, comment down below. But that's what I'm going to be doing and posting. So I can't wait. And I hope you enjoy this little ASMR moment as much as I do. And I went ahead and washed my hands once I was done, and here are the final results. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on short nails versus long nails? Stay tuned for that video I'll be posting on Saturday. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.